We are checking out the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. I'm going to show you what all comes inside the box, walk you through all the physical aspects of the tablet, and also go over some of the specs and features. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Sliding off the lid of the box, the first thing we get is the tablet itself, of course, all wrapped up in this nice fabric sleeve. And pulling it on out, you can see that I got mine in the silver finish, but it also comes in gold and black if you like those colors instead. It's definitely a nice looking tablet. We'll put it to the side for just a second. And digging a little deeper inside the box, you can see we've got a couple other things included. The first is a stack of paperwork here. The important bit is the instructions packet. This gives you all the info on the tablet itself. There's a setup guide, info on the features. It's definitely a valuable little booklet if you have any questions. And the last two things included in the box are the USB-C charging cable and the standard Samsung USB wall plug, though any smartphone or tablet charger you already have will work fine with this as well. So with all that stuff out of the way, here is the Galaxy Tab A7 once again. You can see it powered on for the first time with the setup screen there. Obviously, you can use it in portrait or landscape mode, whatever you're comfortable with. And taking a closer look here, we can see there's the 5 megapixel selfie camera for pictures and video calls there on the side. Around back, there's another camera, an 8 megapixel main lens for more pictures and video recording up to 1080p. Along the sides are your buttons for the power and volume in their familiar spots. And in landscape mode, on both sides of the tablet, you'll see quite the speaker setup. There's 4 speakers on this thing, 2 on each side, for a great out loud listening experience. And they're spaced evenly enough to where you won't cover them up when you hold the device in your hand. It's a really great setup. Also on the bottom is the USB-C charge port and headphone jack as well that you can utilize. And up front, you can see the Galaxy Tab A7 is a fairly large 10.4-inch tablet. It offers an IPS LCD screen at a resolution of 2000 by 1200 at 224 pixels per inch. It's a really great looking display with a lot to offer in regards to consuming content, browsing social media, and doing a bit of work as well. The phone ships with Android 10 and Samsung's One UI, a very familiar software experience if you're an Android or Samsung user, obviously. And the tablet is also powered by the Snapdragon 662 chipset and 3 gigabytes of RAM. Inside, you also get a massive 7040 milliamp battery, which means this tablet can absolutely power through a couple days of use, no problem. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 is a really great tablet for just about everything, and I'd highly recommend it. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys later.